Charlie. Yeah. I'm gonna start digging, so keep an eye out for the bulls. If you see one coming, you start whistling, huh? Whoever named this place the Rock wasn't kidding. Working with those nail clippers just doesn't have any grip. Hey, guard.
Yeah?
Any chance of exchanging this spoon? Looks like it's been sticking in someone's ass.
And I want to ask about working in the kitchen.
Go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, I'd like to find out about joining the kitchen detail.
Can you cook? The spoon's a little edgy. Can I turn it in for that?
You goddamn right I can cook. Hey, I used to be a short order cook in a cafe down in Georgia. Everybody loved my meatballs.
Yeah, what happened? Quit or get fired?
Neither. I robbed the cafe.
Heard you had a visitor.
My daughter. She's getting married. He's white. Just like you.
Congratulations.
Want a magazine?
Yeah. What do you recommend?
Ebony.
English. Is it possible to weld two pieces of metal together here in the cell?
For digging or sticking?
Digging.
It ain't easy, but I could show you. Planning on going somewhere. There hasn't been a day that I've been on this rock that I didn't think of busting out. If I'd known when I sliced, I'd have sliced my throat instead.